My parents couldn't afford braces when I was younger, and I have personally struggled almost my entire life with my dental hygiene. 14 years ago, I had my first set of implants. I almost had problems from day one. I got an infection in one of the implants, and it had to be surgically removed. About a year and a half ago, my son, who's an oral surgeon, was attending a seminar in Dallas, Texas with Dr. Wynn. After the seminar was over, he asked, "Would it be possible for you to take a look at my dad? He's had all kinds of problems with his previous implants and really needs you to take a look at him." When I first went into Dr. Wynn's office, I was greeted by a super friendly staff. My first consultation went incredibly smoothly. They did a cone beam scan, he met with me personally, and he said, "I have some solutions to your problems." My son and I attended my surgery. The procedure was about 8 hours. I woke up and I had beautiful teeth. The recovery took me about 12 days. Since my surgery and my newfound confidence in my smile, I really enjoy playing golf. I love to golf with my friends, my family, and I just like getting outdoors in the beautiful weather. My quality of life has really improved since I've had my surgery. Over the last 20 years, I have been in such intense pain. I have seen so many specialists, so many surgeons, and it wasn't until I met Dr. Wynn that I actually found somebody who could actually solve my complex problems. He's incredibly knowledgeable. He's skillful. He actually turned my life around. He's a game changer for anybody that's considering implants in the future. I am so happy. I can eat whatever I want to eat. I can do the things that I was never able to do, and I'm pain-free. I have such a higher quality of life now, and I can't thank Dr. Wynn enough. You have made a major difference in my life. Thank you very much, Dr. Wynn.